Thank you for choosing Gina the Botina DIY Jean Embroidery Kit. Before we get started, you want jeans that have already been washed multiple times so they don't shrink later on, and note that it's easier to stitch with jeans that are thinner, but thicker jeans can still be used. Start by taking the water-soluble sticker and peel off the backing. Place the sticker slightly into the pocket so it looks like the flowers are coming out of it. If you're working with a smaller pocket and the sticker doesn't fit inside, you can place the sticker just outside of the pocket, and when you stitch the stems, you'll just start slightly lower so that the stems are coming out of the pocket. Press firmly on the sticker so that it fully adheres. Take your embroidery hoop and loosen the screw on top. Separate the inner and outer rings. Place the inner ring inside of the jeans, then press the outer ring on top and tighten until snug. You don't want to pull too much as it can distort the fabric, and if you take long breaks, you want to take it out of the hoop to ensure it doesn't stretch the fabric. If the denim is too thick for the hoop, the embroidery can be done without one, and you want to just keep the fabric taut with your hands as you stitch. Pull out 1 arm's length of embroidery thread, about 20 to 24 inches, and cut it. Embroidery thread is made up of 6 strands, and some stitches will call for 2 strands while others will call for 4. Separate thread 1 strand at a time by pulling on 1 strand while pinching the rest of the thread. Do this twice for 2 strands and 4 times for 4 strands, then bring the strands back together. This helps prevent tangles. Place the thread through the eye of the needle until you have a couple inches sticking out. This side does not have a knot, so you have to hold the thread and the needle at the bottom of the needle while stitching. On the other end, we just do basic knots. For the 2 strands, do 4 knots, and for the 4 strands, just do 2 knots. The stem stitch calls for 2 strands. Bring the needle up at the bottom of the stem and stop once a knot hits the back of the fabric. Go forward 1 stitch length and go back down into the jeans, but don't fully pull all the way through, and stop once you have a small loop. Using your left hand, pull the loop towards the left side. Bring the needle back up in the middle of the stitch and pull it to the right all the way through until it's fully taut. You want to ensure you stay consistent in the direction by pushing the looped floss to the left and pulling the thread through the middle until it's taut on the right hand side. After your last stitch, you'll do 1 stitch forward to the base of the flower. The leaves call for a chain stitch with 2 strands. Bring the needle up at the base of the stem and pull until it's taut. Insert the needle back down into the same hole or same area, but don't pull it all the way through, and stop when you get a small loop. Bring the needle up through the loop and pull it in the opposite direction. Bring the needle right above the loop to tack it in place and repeat making loops. At the tip of the leaf, you finish the chain stitch by doing 1 tacking stitch over the loop to keep it in place. Pull the thread all the way through instead of starting a new loop. The longer leaves will have multiple chain stitches, and you can continue to do chain stitches to fill in the space. I like to do 1 row, then go back to the stem to start another row and go out towards the tip. For the short leaves, you can do 1 detached chain stitch by making 1 loop like you did before, but ending it by just doing a single tacking stitch above it to keep it in place. When you have about 3 to 4 inches of thread left, you want to finish it on the back. On the inside of the jeans, place a needle under a couple nearby stitches and pull it partially through until you form a loop. Place a needle through the loop and pull it until it forms a knot. Repeat this 1 more time. Using scissors, cut off excess thread so that there's a small tail. For the tulips, we'll start by doing straight stitches with 4 strands. Bring the needle up from the base of the tulip and bring it back down at the tip of the petal. Do this for all 3 petals. Then we'll do a detached chain stitch like we did with the small leaves. We'll start with the center petal and then we'll go to the 2 sides. Bring the needle up at the base of the petal, then go back down in the same spot or area until you form a small loop. Bring the needle back up at the top of the petal through the loop and pull in the opposite direction. Place the needle right over the loop to tack it in place before doing the left and right petals. It's easiest to do all of the flowers that are the same color, then go back in and repeat with the other color. Once you're done, loosen the screw and remove the hoops. The sticker is water soluble, so either place the sticker under lukewarm water and gently rub the design away until it dissolves, or soak it in lukewarm water for a few minutes, then rub the sticker away. Lay flat or hang to dry. When washing, ensure the jeans are inside out in order to protect the stitches. Wash with cold water and on a gentle cycle. Enjoy!